Hi, I am Sanjeev Singh, lecturer in English. I am here before you for sharing my personal experiences and opinions regarding spoken English. Have you ever thought that why there is hesitation in speaking the English? As per my opinion, why people hesitate to speak in English? In my opinion, the reason behind it is they have a fear in their mind that whenever they will speak in English, they will make the mistakes. And when the mistakes occur, the people before them, they are speaking in English, they will make fun of them. And due to this fear, they never try to speak in English. Then what is the solution for that? The solution is, as per my personal opinion, if they want to start speaking in English, then one day they should think about their favorite topic about which they can discuss the things with others. They should think about that topic in their mind and make questions and answers regarding that topic in their mind. After the imaginations of questions and answers, they note down those questions and answers on their notebook. And after noting those questions down on their notebooks, they should practice them. They should converse those questions and answers with themselves. And on the next day, suppose they have been studying in 10+2 standard, they should discuss that topic with 6th or 7th standard students. And when they are discussing the topic with 6th or 7th standard students, suppose while speaking in English with 6th or 7th standard students, they make mistakes. They made mistakes. Then there are minimum chances for the 6th or 7th standard students to recognize their mistakes. And these things will increase their confidence in speaking of English. After that, they can discuss the same topic with their 10+2 classmates, and further they can discuss the same topic with their teachers. So in this way their confidence will increase. Hope this idea will help you while trying to speak in English. Thanks and have a good day.